Hello friends, welcome to my new device which we have specially invented to cut this plate, and this is an important thing for orthopedic surgeons and orthopedic distributors. As on today, if in this plate there are different screws are attached to the plate, and we have fixed this plate on the wood. A big problem comes when we remove the screw when the plate is in the body for long time, maybe 4 years, 5 years, and the surgeon is stuck up. We have different screw. I'll show you how. Now this plate is already fixed and I'll try to remove the screw. Now I am rotating it and the screw is coming out, and if I rotate it again, it can be fixed again. It means the head of the screw is perfectly alright. I try with another screw. Now I am rotating in anti-clockwise and it is coming out, and I am again trying it clockwise and it is fixing again. It means the head of the screw is perfectly alright. Now I try with another screw. Now in this case the screw is not coming out and I am rotating the screwdriver. So if this kind of screw is there during the removal of the plate in a surgery, this gives a big problem. As on today, there is a big instrument set is there with approximately 20 or 25 instruments to remove this screw. We have devised a very novel device, just these two things. With these two things you can 100% sure that you are able to remove the screw, the head of which has become round. How we do it? First we'll this cutter, which is approximately 4 to 5 inches in length, and this is a pin. We'll insert the pin while using it, and this is the screw which we want to remove. Now when we start cutting it, the head of the screw will go inside it, and this cutter will go on cutting the plate like this. Okay, and this screw has a AO attachment here. So AO attachment drills are available in every hospital. Okay, and we are also having a drill. Now why we have to develop this cutter? Suppose this is the plate and it is inside the body, and the surgeon has taken the incision and the plate is out. Now all over the area there is a blood, and if we want to cut this plate with this kind of hacksaw, I think it is very difficult and it will take very long time. Second thing, suppose we want to cut this plate with this kind of machine. This is a high speed cutter and which can cut the steel. This is the wheel which can cut any steel, but you cannot use in the operation theatre. First thing, when it cuts the steel, many chips come around from drop here, and it will disinfect the area. And because it gives very high jerk and it cannot be sterilized, so this device cannot be used in the operation theatre. Now, how to use this device during the surgery? First, we'll take a few bandages. These bandages will be put around the plate like this. This bandages will protect if there is any chips from the plate drops. So this is in protection for this. And and one more thing we will use, that is the incise drape. All these things we are doing it to protect of fallen chips and the will use incise tape in such a way that it is fixed right on the plate and on the bandages also. Now we'll try that the chips should fall on this incise drape, and we are going to use the water because water is very essential to cut the plate, which is very hard in nature. First we'll take a blade, and this is the screw which we want to remove, and we will cut the incise drape so that the screw is visible. It takes some time, but we are 100% sure that we will able to remove the plate from the screw. See, now the screw is clearly visible. Okay, now we want to, because our screwdriver is not working here, we are not able to remove it, so we will use this novel device, and it's a single device which can be helpful to remove the plate from this screw, the head of which is round. As I told you, on the center of it there is a pin is there. Whenever you want to run this drill, you have to insert this pin in the head of the screw like this. Okay, now after that the drill should rotate in the clockwise direction like this, and before you start you have to put some water. The water will do two things. One thing is a lubrication, and second, whatever the heat will be generated, this water will cool down the cutter and the plate temperature. And you must use the hospital suction device. Whatever the chips or water will be on this drape, you have to suck it again and again. Now see, I am going to run the drill. see it has started the cutting plate. I do it again. It will take 10 to 15 minutes to cut the plate, but see, there are no sparks like this, and there is no need of this kind of cutter to cut the plate. It is very safe, and you can use a hospital drill to cut the plate. इसमें बहुत स्लो चल रहा है कटर यार. पानी डालो, वाटर. Now you can see the cutter has started cutting the plate and the chips are coming out. And what are the chips are there? It is falling on this drape. So you can use the suction device and to suck this, or you can take any gauze to clean the area like this. Now major part of the plate is cut, and if we try to hold the screw with this plier, we are able to hold, but we are unable to rotate it. Okay, and even use some other kind of plier, it is not holding properly. So sometimes you have to go on cutting the plate till you are able to remove the plate, or you are able to hold the screw properly so that you can take it out. I think still it is not possible, and now we will try to cut the more part of the plate. Water. It is almost gone, but still we'll check whether we are able to hold the screw. No, not possible still now. So we will cut more part of the plate. Sometimes the drill is stuck, but no problem. You just have to take it out drill and insert it again. Now we can see some part of the wood is able to view. It means maybe another 1 or 2 minutes the plate will be cut into 2 halves. This plate has been cut into 2 halves, and if we try to, now all the chips are here. Now plate is already cut, either you can leave the screw here, or after the removal of the plate we try it again with the plier to remove the screw, because the head is not working. So we are trying to remove the when you will suck all the chips from here, then there will be no chips while removing this incised drape. You can see almost there is no chips here. All the area is very clean. Only from where we have cut it, some chips are there because we did not remove during sucking. Now you can see the plate has been cut into two halves. So if we remove the balance screws like this, the one part of the plate, and we will remove the remaining two screws. Now second part of the plate. Now because before you remove this drape, you will clean the top of the drape completely with the suction device, so that no chips is visible here. Now only the screw is left. Now we have because we have sufficient working area, now we can try with the plier to remove the screw. See, now because we have enough area, working area, we are able to rotate the screw. So here is the last screw, the head of which was absolutely round, and screwdriver was not holding it properly to remove it. This is how we can complete the surgery. And we have already, this was the narrow plate, so the cutter was able to, we were able to cut the plate into two halves. Now this is the broad plate, we have already done it. This cutter has made enough hole from here that we were able to remove the plate from here, because in this case the screw was here and the plate came out like this. So this is, we have made a sample for demonstration purpose. Thank you very much. Montreal Medical Inc, New Delhi, India, and my name is MS Sani, a mechanical engineer who is 30 years in the service of orthopedic implants and instruments. Thank you. Bye bye.